This package is about the top 10 richest Igbo men and their net worths in 2024, not excluding their states and their businesses. Yes, we have them lined up for you guys to see and, know their net worths. Also, not forgetting the fact that Forbes magazine released the world richest people, and no Igbo man was among the 4 Nigerian on the list. Well, I am not surprised because of how the Igbo man started life all over. If you had made mention of before the war, then it would have been a different case. Then you'll be mentioning somebody like Sir Louis Ojukwu that was before the war. So let's go into the details. So viewers, I'm going to start with number 10 up to number 1. Ojizo Kalu is number 10th position. A prominent Nigerian entrepreneur, politician, and former governor of Abia State, Kalu is indeed the former founder of Slug Holdings, a conglomerate with diverse interests spanning logistics, banking, oil trading, manufacturing, and media. Kalu's journey into entrepreneurship began at a young age, starting with trading commodities such as palm oil, rice, and sugar. After borrowing $35 from his mother, he swiftly diversified into transportation and furniture production, demonstrating his astute business instinct and entrepreneurship drive. In the early 1980s, Ojizo Kalu's fortune soars when he secured lucrative contracts from Nigerian military government to import and supply arms and ammunition to the country's military and defense forces. But beyond his business endeavors, Kalu ventured into politics and served as the governor of Abia State in Nigeria's southeast. His tenure as governor was marked by various development initiatives and infrastructural projects aimed at improving the lives of residents in the state. Ojizo Kalu's personal life includes his marriage to Mrs. Ifeoma Ada Menakaya in December 1989, with whom he has 4 children: Nicole Uzo Kalu, Michael Uzo Kalu, Olivia Uzo Kalu, and Nea Uzo Kalu. While Forbes has previously estimated his net worth at $3.2 billion, fluctuating in the oil industries and real estate market have impacted his wealth, resulting in a decrease in his net worth since last year. Nonetheless, Ojizo Kalu remains a prominent figure in Nigerian business and politics, with a significant impact on the country's economic landscape. Then at number 9 position is the innocent Ifediaso Ukuma. That's the innocent. Innocent Ifediaso Ukuma, a notable Nigerian entrepreneur and businessman, holds a significant place in the country's industrial landscape. Born on October 1, 1961, in Uru Umudim, Newi, Anambra State. He is the youngest among 6 siblings. His mother, Martin Ukuma, fulfilled the role of homemaker, while the father, Ukuma Mojeku, was employed by the government. Innocent Ukuma's entrepreneurial journey began with the humble beginning, eventually leading him to found Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing, which stands as the African first indigenous automaker. He currently serves as the chairman of the Innocent Group of companies, overseeing his diverse businesses interests. Chukwuma's remarkable success in business has not only transformed the Nigerian automotive industry but has also contributed significantly to the nation's economic development. His innovative spirit and commitment to excellence have earned him recognition both locally and internationally, solidifying his status as one of the Nigerian most prominent entrepreneurs. Innocent Ukuma embarked on his entrepreneurial journey by trading in spare parts for cruisers, laying the foundation for the future success. Over time, he ascended to prominence with Nigeria's bustling car manufacturing sector, leveraging his expertise and business acumen. As the founder of Africa's largest automobile manufacturer, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing Company, Ukuma, has made significant strides in transforming the automotive industry on the continent. His commitment to innovations and dedications to quality have positioned Innocent as a leading player in the market. With his contributions to the automotive sector and broader economic landscape, Innocent Ukuma's net worth is estimated to be around $1 billion. His entrepreneurial achievement underscore his impact as a trailblazer in Nigerian business and industry, earning him recognition both domestically and internationally. Number 8 on the list is Emmanuel Ogwu, commonly referred to as Ogwu. Is a prominent Nigerian politician who rose to prominence through his service as the senator for the Anambra South Senatorial District. In April 2011, he was elected to represent the district under the platform of the People's Democratic Party. Born on December 14, 1958 in Enugu, Emmanuel Ogwu received his education at Boys High School in Okunano. His ancestral roots trace back to Oga in the Agwata local government of Anambra State. Throughout his political career, Ogwu has been actively involved in advocating for the interests of his constituents and advancing the development of his region. His tenure as a senator has been marked by various legislative initiatives aimed at redressing key issues facing his constituency and contributing to national development. Emmanuel Ogwu, also known as Ogwu, has been a controversial figure in Nigerian politics, including discrepancies regarding his educational background, despite claims as attending Concordia University. The university has denied his enrollment, stating that a certain Emmanuel Ogwu was admitted to the foundation but did not complete the course. In terms of his wealth, Senator Emmanuel Ogwu net worth is estimated to be around 2.1 billion. This significant wealth has been attributed to various business ventures and investments over the years. Ogwu's financial success has bolstered his influence in Nigerian politics and society, allowing him to play a significant role in political circles and contribute to various initiatives aimed at societal development. Number 7 on the list is Onyama. Ifechukwu Onyama is indeed renowned for his dedication to promoting peace and harmony among Nigerian diverse ethnic groups. As a conflict resolution expert, he has endeavored to bridge the divides and foster understanding among communities, earning admiration for his charitable initiatives aimed at promoting unity and cohesion. With an estimated net worth of $3 billion, Ifechukwu Onyama's impact extends beyond his philanthropic efforts. As the founder and CEO of Air Peace Airline, he has played a significant role in revolutionizing Nigerian aviation sector, providing affordable and reliable air travel services to millions of passengers. Onyama's success is reflected not only in his business ventures but also in his penchant for luxury vehicles, including a Rolls-Royce, a Mercedes-Benz G-Class, a Land Cruiser Prado 2029 Toyota Hilux, and airplanes. His commitment to excellence and innovations has earned him widespread acclaim, making him a respected figure in both the business and humanitarian spheres. Well, good to let you know that Onyama is from Anambra State, here a local government area. The town in particular, I cannot remember it, but it's from here a local government. Yes, the town is behind here, just very close to Sumohu, that axis. But the name of that town, I can't remember it now. So just know that he's from Anambra State. Number 6 on the list is Ifeanyi Ubah. Ifeanyi Ubah, a prominent figure in Nigeria, is renowned for his multifaceted roles as a businessman, investor, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. He holds ownership of the Nigerian football team, Ifeanyi Ubah FC, showcasing his passion for sports. Moreover, Oba serves as the CEO and owner of Capital Oil and Gas Industries Limited, a leading player in Nigerian oil and gas sector. Oba's journey to wealth began with humble beginning as he initially ventured into the sale of tire suppliers and vehicle replacement parts. Through his entrepreneurial acumen and strategic investment, he has since built a thriving business empire. Capital Oil and Gas Industry Limited stand as a testament to his success in the energy sector, solidifying his passion as a key player in Nigerian economic landscape. In addition to his business pursuit, Ifeanyi Uba is known for his philanthropic endeavors, contributing to various social causes and community development projects. His diverse interests and commitment to excellence have earned him widespread recognition and respect, both within Nigeria and beyond. Ifeanyi Uba's passion for the industry has been instrumental in expanding his business venture beyond Nigerian borders. Leveraging his expertise and dedications, he successfully ventures into exporting tires from Nigeria to neighboring countries such as Ghana, Liberia, Sierra Leone. This strategic expansion enables him to tap into new markets and broaden the scope of his business operations. As a result of his entrepreneurial pursuit and astute investments, Ifeanyi Uba's net worth is estimated to be $1.7 billion. His remarkable achievement in business, coupled with his commitment to excellence and innovations, have propelled him to prominence as one of the Nigerian wealthiest individuals. Uba's success serves as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and underscore the potential for growth and prosperity within the African business landscape. So, but I wish to notify you that the net worth is not in ascending or descending order, just that it's been mixed up, but just know their net worth and what other things that you need to know. Thank you. Well, good to notify you that our source of information is coming from Intel region. However, number 5 on the list is Tony Elumelu. Well, Tony Edemelu is from the Igbo speaking part of Delta State, which is Onitsha to be precise. So, but another side of it is that some of these people in this region, they will never accept that they are Igbos. But however, inter-region included them in the estimates, as in the analysis. Then Tony Elumelu, a renowned business magnate from Nigeria, is indeed valued at an estimated net worth of $1.4 billion. Prior to embarking on his entrepreneurial journey, Elumelu served as the CEO of United Bank for Africa (UBA), where he played a pivotal role in its growth and expansion. Subsequently, he founded Here's Holdings, a conglomerate with interest in various sectors including finance, energy, hospitality, and real estate. Moreover, Tony Elumelu's philanthropic efforts have made a significant impact through the establishment of the Tony Elumelu Foundation. This foundation has been instrumental in empowering thousands of African entrepreneurs by providing them with seed fundings, mentorship, and networking opportunities, thereby fostering economic development and job creation across the continent. Elumelu's commitment to entrepreneurship and sustainable development has garnered his widespread recognition and commented his legacy as a leading figure in African business landscape. Indeed, Tony Elumelu's tenure as the United Bank for Africa (UBA) marked a transformative period for the institution. Under his leadership, UBA expanded its operations significantly, transitioning from a Nigerian bank to one with a formidable presence across 19 African nations. Elumelu's strategic vision and managerial prowess played a crucial role in this expansion. solidifying UBA's position as a leading Pan-African financial institution. As a graduate of Harvard Business School, Tony Edemelu is widely recognized for his contribution to both non-profit and governmental institutions. His diverse portfolio of investment spans across various sectors, including financial services, real estate, tourism, agriculture, and healthcare. These investments are meticulously managed by Heirs Holdings, his investment firm, which serve as a vehicle for driving sustainable economic growth and development. Edemelu's multifaceted approach to business and philanthropy underscores his commitment to fostering entrepreneurship, innovations, and inclusive economic development across the continent. His achievement has earned him global acclaim and positioned him as a leading figure in African business and social landscape. Number 4 on the list is Emeka Offor. Sir Ezekiel Emeka Offor, born on February 10, 1957, hails from Orifite in Ekwusigo local government of Anambra State. He is widely acknowledged not only for his financial success but also for his philanthropic endeavors. Offor's journey to success includes crucial guidance and support from Pa Abadi, who provided advice and assistance in securing funding for his ventures, notably his first importation of bitumen through Railway Lines Nigeria Limited. Riveway Lines Nigeria Limited. Sir Emeka Offor's net worth spans at about net worth of $2.9 billion, and presently he is residing in Nigeria. Number 3 is Benedict Peters. He is indeed one of the wealthiest Igbo individuals in Nigeria, renowned for his remarkable success in the oil and gas sector. As the founder and CEO of Atie Group, Peter has played a pivotal role in shaping the industry landscape. Born in Ebonyi State and raised in Delta State, his early life experience have contributed to his entrepreneurial journey. Peter's educational background includes a degree in geography and urban planning from the University of Benin, providing him with a solid foundation for his future endeavors. Through his leadership and strategic vision, Atie Group has emerged as a significant player in the Nigerian oil and gas sector, further solidifying Benedict Peters' status as a prominent figure among the wealthiest in Southeast. Indeed, Benedict Peters, the CEO of Atie Group, oversees significant assets in the Nigeria oil and gas sector. Atie Group is recognized as the owner of oil mining lease 29 OML and the Nembe Creek trunk line in the eastern Niger Delta region. Peters, known to be a devoted spouse and father of 4, has successfully navigated the complex of the energy industry, contributing to his considerable wealth. Reports suggest that Benedict Peters boasts a substantial net worth estimated to be around $3.3 billion. His entrepreneurial acumen, coupled with strategic investment and effective management of Atie Group's assets, has propelled him to prominence as one of the wealthiest individuals in Nigeria and notable figure among the Igbo community. Next is Adetokunbo. Adetokunbo stands to be the real number 2nd person according to the Networth. Adetokunbo was born on December 6, 1952 in Nnewi, Anambra State. Has risen to become one of the wealthiest Igbo individuals in Nigeria, despite not being born into wealth. Adeto's entrepreneurial acumen has propelled him to remarkable success. His journey from humble beginning to substantial prosperity is emblematic of his determination and business prowess. Today, Cletus Ibeto holds a significant position among the richest Igbo men in Nigeria, a testament to his hard work and ingenuity in the business world. Cletus Ibeto, a highly successful entrepreneur and prominent businessman in Nigeria, initially made his mark in the automotive industry by selling motor spare parts. However, his business empire has since diversified into various sectors, including banking, real estate, cement production, and vehicle couplings. The Ibeto Group, under his leadership, has become synonymous with automotive replacement parts production in Nigeria, solidifying his reputation as a leader in the industry. With a substantial net worth of 3.8 billion, Cletus Ibeto stands as one of the wealthiest Igbo men globally, owing to the success of his diversified enterprises. Among his notable achievements is the founding of Inosim Motors, a renowned Nigerian car maker, where Ibeto also owned a considerable number of vehicles. Cletus Ibeto journey from selling motor spare parts to establishing a multifaceted business conglomerate exemplified his entrepreneurial vision and resilience, making him a prominent figure in Nigerians' business landscape and among the wealthiest Igbo individuals in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the richest Igbo man is engineer Atoeze. Atoeze is indeed a significant figure in the Nigerian oil and gas industry, renowned as the CEO of Atlas Oranto Petroleums, a prominent privately held oil company in the country. Hailing from Anambra State and raised in Ugbo, Dunukofe local government area, Eze's journey to success is noteworthy. In the 1970s, he attended St. Augustine Secondary School in Nkwere, Imo State. Subsequently, in 1974, he pursued further education in mechanical and chemical engineering at California State University, marking the beginning of his academic and professional pursuits in the energy sector. Atoeze, an estimated figure within the Igbo community and a member of the royal family, is often affectionately called Prince Atoeze. He holds the title of Ozo Ibondo among the Igbo people, signifying his revered status. With an estimated net worth of about $5.8 billion, Prince Atoeze is undeniably one of the Nigerian wealthiest Igbo individuals. His remarkable success and influence spans across various sectors, cementing his legacy as a prominent figure in both business and society. Yes, viewers, this is the last update we are going to give you among the most richest people in Igbo land. So, but there is one big question about all these riches that these guys have. These guys that are from Southeast. One question is that how effectively have they been able to touch the economy of the Southeast? If not somebody like maybe Inosim, maybe one or two of them again. How well have they touched the economy of Southeast? That is a very big question. And this question has to be answered, if you ask me. But however, they own their wealth. Nobody owns it. The wealth belongs to them. So however they wish is how they will spend it. Mana o nwere okwu ndị be anyị na-ekwu asị na akụ ruo ụnọ mara onye kpatara ya nọ. Think home philosophy. O nwere ka ndị Igbo si nọdụ na Nigeria, ndị Igbo anọrọ ọfụma. So uche anyị ga-adị, anything we are doing, we have to think home at every point in time. One leg outside, one leg at home. That is the point I'm making. But with this, we have come to the end of this discussion. But I would like to hear what you think about all that we have given you, the list of individuals, wealthiest people in the Southeast. Please, your contribution is highly important. If you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell. Share this video. We need to share it. Let's hear from people, their view and what they think about what we have discussed today. Don't let this video remain with you. Share it with your other groups, other Igbo groups. Let them come in and talk their own talk. Thank you. As you do that, I still remain Chinedu, your presenter, and I say bye for now.